DB Sales Company, where we not only offer diesel engines, parts, and customized generator sets, we also provide information on these products to make your experience of finding and acquiring the exact right ones for you as easy as possible. The Perkins 1106D E70TTA was actually built as a replacement for the 1106C E66TTA to meet certain service replacement emission laws. Therefore, the applications are originally for that engine. In this video, we'll be listing what those applications are. The applications it is built for include Vermeer, Bandit, and Morbark tub grinders, McCloskey concrete screeners, and Caterpillar 954 loaders. It is also used for broad-based industrial applications, like oil field pumps and irrigation power units. If you found this informative, be sure to check out our other diesel engine application videos for added clarity when searching for replacement engines. We hope this helped you understand more clearly exactly the diesel product or products that you've been looking for. Also, look in the description for links to all of our websites. Check out and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on diesel products from DB Sales Company. And be sure to comment below anything else you'd like to know. You can also find us on Facebook under DB Sales Company, or Twitter under Find Diesels, where you can see various products we offer and tips on those products. We'd also like for you to engage with us about your experiences in the diesel industry and how we can help you better reach the diesel products that you're looking for. We hope to hear from you soon.